standing in front of you all with my topic, that is water everywhere but not a single drop to drink. I am standing here with my team members
Shubham Singh.
Dharti Mishra. I am going to represent my topic, introduce my topic actually. Water, which is very essential part of our life. We know that our Earth is a green planet, and the majority part of that planet is covered with water, and 71 part of this planet is covered with water, in which only some part like 1% water is drinkable. Uh, in the drinkable water 1%, some part is glacier, and only some part are for drinking, and the remaining part are saline, which are not drinkable.
Now let's discuss the causes, the problem of this theme. So the main problem is the pollution of fresh water sources like industrial wastes, sewage discharge, continuously polluted water regularly, and which is very harmful for our human beings. And climate changes is another factor like uneven rainfall and melting glacier and temperature rising continuously, which cause water continuously decreasing. Thank you.
Now let's discuss some effects of this problem. First is marine pollution. Due to increasing wastage of water, and disposal of sewages into the water bodies, marine pollution is increasing day by day. Second is economic conflicts. Economic conflicts consist of conflicts between local members of a society due to conflicts over usage of water, as well as conflicts between international relations of two countries over the usage of water.
Now discuss about the solution. Let's discuss about the solution of these problems. First solution may be water conservation and management by using different types of irrigation systems like canal system, drip irrigation system, and using the water wisely. Second thing is pollution control. We should not use plastic bags encourage the use of jute bags instead of plastic bags.
Thank you.
Thank you.